So, okay, गया ये जहाँ सो गया. So this has happened with most of the people. This has happened with me. So many times I used to put myself into situations that I was not very comfortable with, just to avoid some unnecessary drama. Sometimes just to fit in, or sometimes just so that they would call me names. And it took me a long time to realize, just like all things, there is a spectrum. Just because someone defines something you have done as selfish or call you names, that doesn't mean you have to define it on their terms. And so today, I'm just going to share with you four such
One eternity later.
and today, I'm just going to share with you four such situations where we do not have to define it on their terms. So let's get started.
Seriously, what the fuck are you doing?
That was too we heard. And the first thing is, if you value yourself over other people's opinions. The one thing that I personally think is very brave to do is when we consciously decide to stop living in the bubble of other people's opinions. Listen, people will talk. They always have, they always will. No matter how we behave, the way we walk, the way we talk, or the way we dress, what we do, what we say, how we act, or the decisions we make, we will always be judged by others. They will always convey their opinions and cast out those who they don't feel are strong, or simply the ones who don't fit in. So we will always be too loud, too short, too fat, too skinny, too dark, too white, too annoying, too smart, too dumb, sometimes too religious, or sometimes even too ambitious. Whatever to some people. Listen, at the end of the day, it doesn't matter. People will always find someone to talk about. It's the nature of the masses. But then where is the problem? The problem starts when we allow other people's opinions to not only hurt us, but oftentimes to define us. Listen, as long as we're doing the right thing in this world with right intentions and with the right motivation, it doesn't matter what other people think of you. It's very challenging and most of the times very difficult to even recognize that you're trapped in this cycle of living according to other people's ideas of living. So to come out of it is a different story altogether. And so if you have learned to value yourself over other people's opinions, or even if you are on that path, congratulations, you are simply amazing, and that doesn't make you any lesser or selfish or bitch. Saying no when you need to.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
Listen, I want to admit this. I was a people pleaser. It's been ingrained into me since I was a child. Just like so many of us, I wanted to fit in. I wanted to be liked. So I used to do things for other people, and sometimes even when I did not really want to. So this has followed me into adulthood and has made it quite difficult at times for me to say no to others. If you can relate to what I'm saying, or if you have ever been into this place, you know that not much things get accomplished there. But the one good thing that has come out of all this is that I understood the importance of saying no. And finally I started saying no to the things that are not really good for my well-being. If you want to live a happier life and healthier life, learn to say no to the things that doesn't suit you. Of course, we are going to help the people we love. Of course, we are going to do the best at work. What I'm saying is that when we are never saying no and always overextending ourselves for everyone else, eventually it will come back to us in a negative way. Saying no isn't a bad thing. Taking care of yourself and saying yes to yourself first is healthy and good and full of promise. So I just want to say this is that if you have learned this, if you have learned to say no, or you're working on yourself on this, you are doing great, and that doesn't make you any lesser. Oh, I completely forgot the most important point. There's these two buttons. One is subscribe and the other one is bell icon. Please tap on it. If you have already done that, then thank you so much. On that creative note, we are directly jumping to the third part. Some people might not get it when you choose to stay home or going out. If that's what you're in mood to do, don't feel selfish for wanting to be alone. Sometimes we all need alone time, and some people need more than others. Social interactions can be exhausting for some people. Even when you are at home, there are chances that we crave that me time. If we can't spend some serious quality time by ourselves, we can't really process our thoughts. So remember, there's no shame in that. It just makes you a human being. That's all. And here comes the last one. It's time to end a relationship or a job or living situation. Moving to a new city or quitting a job, basically endings are never easy. But if you feel bad when you interact with someone or dread encountering them again, it's time to rethink. We often stay in relationships or friendships because we are scared of hurting someone. But when it comes to things that are damaging, sometimes we need to put ourselves first. It's not self-sustaining to continue a relationship or a friendship or a job, especially one that is in any way abusive. If something is affecting your well-being, it might be time to say goodbye. And that's perfectly fine. Yes, जो दिल ना लगे उसे कह दो bye 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 bye. जो दिल ना लगे उसे कह दो bye 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 bye. जो दिल ना लगे उसे कह दो bye bye. By the way, that's one of my favorite movie, and that Love Is Unique is one of my favorite songs. Okay, yeah. So on that note, I think I should end this video. If this video helped you in any way, you know what's the deal, right? Like it, please. And do comment. Tell me if you liked it. Tell me how you liked it, or even if you don't like it, tell me in the comment section below. Okay? On that note, I think I should just stop this video. Bye bye everyone. Take care. I'll see you again. I don't know when, but yeah, I will. Not that anyone asked me that when will my next video will come, but yeah, it will come soon. Bye bye. Bye 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 bye.